blade in the machine. You loosen the knob here, pull the magazine out, take the old blade out, discard the old blade, grab the new blade, and by putting it into the magazine like this and rotating, and then pushing it down up against the depth adjustment screw, which can be adjusted, slide that back into the cutting head in the right position, and tightening it down. When we grab a mat blank, we cut our first mat. Take the mat blank, in this case a red mat, face down, set our desired measurement on the guide. So I'm going to go 3 1/4. I can use the locator pin to find every half-inch increment, 3 1/2, 3 inches, or by adding the mat gauge to this combination, I can arrive at 3 1/4 inches. Tighten the guide swings into square, position the mat up against the mat stop, then we position the top stop into its position, kissing the outside edge of the mat, and then setting the scale to the desired dimension, 3 1/4 inches, to get the entry point. We then set the bottom stop to the same dimension, 3 1/4, for my stopping dimension. In that position, I can go ahead and drop the blade down and make my first cut. Rotate the board 180 degrees so that I have the same dimension on both sides. This way, when I rotate to the 2 short dimensions, I only need to reposition the top stop 1 time. Each time I make these cuts, I try to keep my arm in line with the clamp so I'm making a straight cut throughout the entire process. And that's how we cut a perfect mat.